Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the hourly default rate on the Invoice Maker and Estimate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and then tap on settings. Click on other in the middle of the screen and tap on hourly default rate, which is the first option. After that, you should tap on this rate section, delete the default option and then set it, type it in. As you can see, there is a grouping option, so you can turn it on by tapping on this button in the right side of the screen. If you are done setting these, tap on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen and then it will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.